Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix iCloud storage full error. Quick fix step by step clearly. Open settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap your Apple ID name at the top of the screen. Tap iCloud to see your storage usage. Tap Manage Account Storage to view what is taking space. Check the top apps listed to find the biggest storage users. Tap Photos if it is using a lot of storage. Turn on Optimize iPhone Storage and Photos settings if available. Go back to iCloud Storage and tap iCloud Drive. Delete large files you no longer need from the Files app. Open the Files app and tap Browse. Tap iCloud Drive and review big folders like Downloads. Press and hold a file. Then tap Delete to remove it. Return to Settings and open Messages. Tap Keep Messages and choose 30 days or 1 year to reduce storage. Go back to iCloud Storage and tap Messages if it appears there. Delete old conversations with large attachments you do not need. Open Settings and tap General. Tap iPhone Storage and wait for the list to load. Remove unused apps by tapping an app and selecting Offload App. Open Settings and tap your Apple ID again. Tap iCloud and then tap iCloud Backup. Tap Backup now after you free some space to retry the backup. If backups are too large, tap your device name under Backups. Choose Turn Off and Delete from iCloud to remove an old backup you do not need. On your computer, visit iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Open iCloud Drive or Photos on iCloud.com and delete unnecessary items. After deleting, find Recently Deleted and clear it to actually free space. Restart your device to refresh iCloud storage and syncing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.